Welcome back to another recipe video here on my cooking channel, guys. And today, magluluto po tayo ng humba. Now, hindi po ito yung authentic version, but instead, I will be sharing to you my own version of the recipe. Now, for our ingredients, we will need the following. Now, for this recipe, we will be needing 1 kilo of pork liempo cut into large pieces. Kailangan din po natin gumamit ng suka, and we will be using about 1/2 cup. 1/4 cup po ng soy sauce at 1/4 cup din po ng Knorr seasoning. Kung ayaw nyo pong gumamit ng Knorr seasoning, doblehin nyo lang po yung ating soy sauce. We will also be using 1 can of the ready-to-drink pineapple juice, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1 medium-sized red onion also minced. Gagamit din po tayo ng banana blossom o bulaklak ng saging na dried. Kailangan din po natin ng star anise and buong paminta. Now, for the authentic version, gumagamit po ng tausi, pero ako po tinanggal ko po yun at gagamit tayo ng saba. Gagamit din po tayo, of course, ng cooking oil. Now that we have our ingredients ready, we can now start cooking. So first up, we will marinate our pork. We will make our marinade by using a measuring cup. That's where I put your vinegar, soy sauce, and Knorr seasoning. Now, hindi ko po ito dinediretso sa karne para po natitikman ko pa po ito at na-adjust yung ating marinade sa lasa. Okay? Now, once the taste is good and balanced, we can now add our garlic and onions sa ating pork. And we're gonna pour in our marinade. Now, just make sure that the pork is well immersed in the marinade. Dinagdag ko na rin po yung whole black peppercorns. Isinama ko na po yan sa pagmamarinate. I-mix lang po natin ng maigi ito, and we will wait about 3 to 4 hours before we start browning our meat. Now, after 3 to 4 hours, ihihiwalay ko po yung ating meat from our marinade. Just make sure na wala na po talaga nag-drip na ng mabuti dahil po iba-brown natin ito or bahagyang ipiprito. This is to seal in the juices of our meat and to give that color of the humba, the dark color of the humba. Now, gawin lang po natin ito by batches. Ang tip ko po ay huwag nyo pong masyadong pupunuin yung inyong pot. Pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng malalim na pot gaya nito dahil po minsan po tatalsik po yan. Now, once all the meat is brown, babawasan po natin ng mantika. Ibabalik po natin ito sa ating cooking pot. And ihahalo na po natin yung ibang ingredients. Now, I'm adding the marinade back. Dito na po natin siya pakukuluan. Isinama ko po talaga lahat ng marinade natin. Wala po akong tinira. We will add the pineapple juice and our star anise. Now, hinay-hinay lang po sa star anise. I've shown you 3 pieces, pero po in reality, 2 piraso lang po ang ginamit ko dahil matapang po ang lasa nito. Now, we will let this boil for about 30 to 45 minutes until the meat is tender. Now, humba is a sweetened pork dish due to the pineapple juice. Yung iba po sa inyo, sweetened pineapple juice na ang ginagamit. But in my case, since hindi po sweetened pineapple juice ang ginamit ko, I have added 4 tablespoons of white sugar to this recipe. Now, pakukuluan lang po natin ito ng saglit, and kapag kumulo na, pwede na po nating idagdag yung ating banana blossom or puso ng saging. Now, you can buy banana blossom at any grocery supermarket. Ang tip ko lang dito is hugasan nyo po ng maigi. Kung mapapansin nyo po, may ilalabas po siyang tubig na napaka-dark. Ulitin nyo po ito ng mga at least 3 times before you start adding it to your pork. Otherwise, ang kalalabasan po ng inyong dish ay napakaitim po niya, and we don't want that. Now, at this point, tikman na po natin, i-adjust na natin yung saltiness and sweetness. Now, if the sauce starts to look like this, glossy na po siya at malapot na po siya, the pork is ready. Now, I did mention at the start of my video that this is my own recipe of humba. Now, the Visayan version uses tausi or black beans, pero ako po, gagawa tayo or magpiprito tayo ng saba, and I've coated this in cornstarch para po hindi po madurog yung ating saba or mag-catch ng napakaraming oil while frying. Now, this is an additional tip kung nagtitipid po kayo. Okay? Gawin nyo pong extender yung saba. Pwede nyo pong bawasan yung inyong pork to about 3/4 kilo or 1/2 kilo even kung nagtitipid po kayo. Now, after frying the saba, you can add it to the pork and mix it, and ito na po yung ating finished product. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video recipe to your family and friends. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko and you love cooking, please consider subscribing to my channel, Yan E. Tap the bell for notifications on new videos and recipes. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Till another recipe, see you again. Bye now!